So this is just a little video to really discuss the situation of subtitling or captioning and how important that is, but how difficult it is in the Welsh language as opposed to the English language. I've just been trying to make two little videos reading poems out of my collection Trawiad Seizure. It's a bilingual collection where you've got the Welsh poem and then the English poem. And some of the poems were written in Welsh verse and some were written in English verse. And the poems I was trying to read were Ffiniau Ffrindiaeth and the Boundaries of Friendship. And you can hear there probably just through the alliteration in the Welsh one. It was the Welsh one that was written first because it was in response to something that someone had said to me. And I tried to upload the Welsh video, and in TikTok you can edit the subtitles, but it's quite fiddly, and all of it was a jumble because it was a Welsh video and it doesn't detect the Welsh language. And there wasn't actually even a way, because it's a short poem, there wasn't a way for me to go through and just edit each word, because I couldn't see which part of the video that it related to, so it was too tricky. And then I spent about an hour trying to do it in Canva, and it's probably my complete lack of skill with Canva, but I found it very, very difficult. So I'm gonna have to wait to upload that video. Whereas I then just shot the English video, uploaded it, pressed the caption button, it detected the language straight away. And off I went, and I've just uploaded the video, and I'll be doing the same with this video. And even though it's longer and rambly and all sorts of things, it'll be so much easier just because it's in English. And the thing that annoys me is I know the technology is there, because one time for example, I had to make a PowerPoint presentation and I pressed the button to make captions, and somehow, because my computer was set to Welsh in the background, it changed everything to Welsh. So it is possible to do it, and I just wish that things like TikTok and Canva and all of the other things were just set up so it's just easier. It should be just as easy to make the video in Welsh as it is in English. And yeah, so that's what this video is all about.